Welcome home, Bitcoin Truth Seekers. It is Monday, October 12th, 2020. It's 7:09 a.m. here in the Arizona desert. Bitcoin is looking good today. Let's start where we start. Over here at Coin360, we have a beautiful green looking day. Of course, always a mix of green and red in the market, but Bitcoin up 1%. Last 24 hours, Ethereum up 2.67%. Link, big player, up 6.68%. Binance Coin, BNB, up 7.3%. So definitely have some winners. XMR up 7%. Algo up, I can't quite see it. It's up something, up 8.57%. So looking really good. Strong market today, strong Bitcoin market, and strong looking alt market. Volume last 24 hours for Bitcoin's 927 million last 24 hours volume over a Bitcoin trade volume. That is not bad for a Monday morning. That's not bad for any day. I think we might see over a billion today in trade volume, and that would make sense because Bitcoin is definitely moving this morning. So top three exchanges this morning are Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Binance, of course, as always, on top. Shorts versus long sentiment. Long 65%, shorts 34% on Binance, where that massive volume is. Looking at the Russell 2000, the S&P 500 and the Russell 2000 this morning. The SPX this morning is a green candle, below the 200 moving average, a healthy MACD. That is wonderful. The Russell 2000, it is the same, although that green candle is teetering. It's been going back and forth between red and green. We shall see. Hopefully it continues that nice upwards trend. Both are looking really strong this morning, the Russell 2000 and S&P 500. Dollar strength index, well, it was doing well, but on Friday it definitely took a dump, and hopefully it's not actually starting a downwards trend like this arrow suggests. So if we look, it was doing beautiful upwards channel for the dollar strength index. And well, now it's starting to trend down. I was hoping it would just do a balance and continue back up, but it seems to have broken below that upwards channel. It is a green and red doji this morning. It's flickering back and forth, has not really made up its mind. We shall see. Maybe that massive run up for the dollar strength index has come to a conclusion. All right, something I just wanted to note here on the daily chart. If you look, every time we have a powerful positive MACD cross, we have some good gains. So if we go back, there was a nice positive MACD cross above the midline, and that ran up to around 49%. For Bitcoin, we had another one, and that ran up to about 31% that I see. These are pretty rough estimates, but now we have another powerful MACD cross. If we went up, let's say, even 35% here, that would put us at 14,675 or so. So it is possible when we cross on the MACD on the daily and we get a nice wide open cross, a nice powerful one, like we're seeing here, we're above the midline. We have a nice, beautiful wide histogram. The MACD, the blue line is definitely separating. It's getting above the signal, the red line. I mean, look, if history repeats itself, if we get another heartbeat like that, well, the gains are incoming. Regardless, today we are still in this beautiful upwards channel on the daily. We're above the 200 moving average. We're starting the day with a beautiful green candle. 4-hour chart, you can see this beautiful uptrend that we've been in, this beautiful upwards channel. This morning, definitely a strong green candle. The RSI is down here at the bottom. It's definitely not overbought. So we're looking good for some positive gains on the 4-hour chart. All right, looking at the 45-minute chart, we went into the weekend ranging between 11,100 and 11,400. I was wondering if we were going to just continue bouncing sideways and be somewhat indecisive. But no, Bitcoin this morning, bam! After a dump, I will say, last night, late Sunday night, boom! Bitcoin hits the Monday morning, and look at that, it has broken through the glass ceiling. So we shall see if this resistance that we couldn't get past will now become support. If that is the case, if we can start this week with a support of around 11,400, well, that would just be pretty darn spiffy now, wouldn't it? Looking at the directional index, we do have some green starting. ADX is still low at around 18, but especially if it gets above that midline around 20, that's definitely going to be conducive for some short-term upwards movement, which we're already seeing. And the RSI is in a beautiful spot to continue upwards. If you have any questions about the indicators, etc., that I use, just check out whatisanoperator.com. Click on Bitcoin Daily View, and I got all my little goodies listed there. Take care. See you all soon, Bitcoin Truth Seekers.